Hi everyone, my name is Cassandra Castaneda and this is my AUP policy project. What is an AUP and why should we have it? AUP, or Acceptable Use Policy, also known as the Internet Use Policy, is used to help protect students and limit liability. This agreement allows them to explore the digital world as part of their education instead of accessing inappropriate or harmful sites such as bullying, school violence, and pornography. Why is it important? Because it sets a set of standards and policies not only for our educators but students and teachers. With an AUP in place, everyone can see we all have a set of guidelines that we must follow, or there will be consequences. There are many benefits to using this internet in elementary school and intermediate education, but it is important for you to harness the powerful tool so that it's effective and safe for students to use. What should be in an AUP, you ask? A programmable definition section, a policy statement, which covers the technology in the AUP and when it's covered and when we're able to be using it, and then also a violation section. Here we focus on two different schools, Cobb County AUP, and what can be different regarding it, the goods and the bads. For instance, here is some of the good things that they have. On the Cobb County AUP, they list various rules of what they can't be accessed on the internet and why, and it goes into details of images and words. Students and parent information are separated in each column as they describe their conduct, while the students need to complete and maintain computer access. Parents, it gives us details about why they have the rules and students. Lastly, they give an objection option to parents which not to allow their children to use the internet. And here are some ideas. What can be different? The list of the rules should be posted for both parents and students, not just one. All parties should be following the same guidelines and be aware of them. The objection the portion should be extended and only be changed when the student first starts in 10 days. So in their policy, they can only change it within the first 10 days, and that's all they can do. This is my county's AUP. They have a simple two-page line where a parent needs to sign agreeing to the rules and the district have in place. This includes using it for library uses and discussions of the World Wide Web. They go into a brief explanation how they will be protecting students from going on from inappropriate sources. This here is what they can do better, explain what they can access and what they can't, list the consequences, allow area for parents to choose. Also, they did not have that, they didn't have a choice, so that's something that we can as well. Ways we can present it to parents, there's different ways. We can do open house, newsletters, send it home, and then also easiest way, an email. How do we ensure that we use the AUP properly? Remember, students are responsibility for meaning that their actions, if they do in the digital World Wide Web, will follow them. Educators remember that students follow by example. And like the IST standard says, positive, safe, legal, and ethical behavior when using technology includes social interactions online when using network devices. And these are my references for my thing. And thank you guys so much for watching my AUP policy.